If every teacher had real support, students would feel it immediately. More attention in the classroom, more confidence in their voice, more belief in what they can achieve. Teachers don't need more tools, they need their time back. Time to sit with the student who's struggling. Time to notice confusion before it turns into failure. Time to do the work that actually changes lives and the world for that matter. Right now, too much of a teacher's energy is drained by admin work. All of the planning, the documentation, the repetition, the admin work. Important tasks, of course, but not the transformational ones that we want to see. So I'm building a teacher's AI assistant. The transition is simple. Let AI handle the heavy lifting behind the scenes so teachers can focus their time on teaching the students. When teachers get their time back, students get more attention. When students are nurtured, confidence grows. When confidence grows, futures change. It's not about software, it's about impact. If we truly care about education, we must protect teachers' time, because when teachers can teach, generations change.